Hey everyone, how are you doing? And most importantly, how's your fitness journey going on? I hope it is going on well, but I know global pandemic has hit all of us and we are facing COVID-19 coronavirus these days, and we are facing a lot of difficulties to take our fitness initiatives. Most importantly, our gyms are also closed and we have been asked to stay indoors and be indoors just to contain this virus. And in fact, it is our responsibility as an Indian citizen to be inside our house, follow the government guidelines and do whatever it can to make sure that we are not going outside and break this chain of coronavirus. Well, I'm also taking all the necessary precautions which our government has given for all of us and staying indoors with my family. But guess what? I am also taking care of my fitness journey. I'm also taking my fitness initiatives because when there is a will, there is a way. So you have this CultFit app where I usually go out and do my live exercises with a lot of celebrities, and I usually target my body parts, whatever suits me best. And I also wake up early in the morning and I usually go out on my terrace upstairs and do a morning walk there itself. There is a stretch of only 10 meters, but I usually walk to and fro in that 10 meters and complete my morning walk. So I invest around 1.5 hours, sometimes 1 hour 45 minutes or even 1 hour depending upon my mood. And at that time itself I do my physical exercise on my terrace, and I use my CultFit app to do so. So I hope you should also do it, and you should also take your fitness initiatives. And this channel is all about where we are taking ways and means to take our baby steps and do whatever it can that we should not miss our fitness journey. And that's the reason why I am also urging you, despite being the fact that we are into our lockdown and we are not moving out, but we have to train our mind that we need to continue our fitness journey. And you can also use these tools, these initiatives and apply in your life and take the benefit out of it. You can use CultFit app where live workout is going on throughout the day. You pick and choose the slot and do with the celebrity and the trainers already available. Also, you can go out to your terrace. If you don't have a terrace, at least you should use your CultFit app to continue with your fitness journey. Coming back to our very important section, which is our tip of the week, and this week tip is very different, and it will help you to take all those necessary precautions and it will definitely give you idea to how to maintain your weight, how to increase your weight, and most importantly, most of us are working to decrease our weight. So you will use this trick. I usually call it COVID-19 fitness trick, which will help you to take all these necessary precautions, all these steps which will make you fit. So let's get straight into this and start our discussion on this trick. Here we go. So this is COVID-19 lockdown fitness trick mathematical calculation, and it is helping a lot of people, and most of the sports athletes use it on a regular basis if they want to calculate if they want to achieve their fitness goal. And you should also apply in your life depending upon the amount of exercise you do on a daily basis in a particular week. And this will definitely help you to lose your weight. This will definitely help you if your goal is to maintain your weight, and this will again help you if you want to gain your weight. So let's get started and understand this in deeper detail. So this calculation is totally based on your BMR. Based on your BMR, you need to apply this trick and see how it helps you. So let's get started. As far as my data is concerned, my age is 31 years, my weight is 94 kgs and my height is 6 feet. Now my weight is 94 kgs. I have taken the weight which I calculated I think 4 or 5 weeks back, which I also given you in my second week video. You can go and check there. And after that, I have not been able to check my weight because I don't have a weighing machine at my house. So how to calculate a BMR? So you can go to Google Store download. There are so many applications available, you can go and download from there, or if not, just go to google.com and just type BMR calculation. The calculator will automatically turn up. Just add these three parameters there, your age, your weight and height, and it will automatically give you your BMR. So in my case, my BMR is 1934 calorie per day. This is my BMR. Now, how this trick works. Now, if I'm doing no exercises, no home exercises at home, I want to multiply my BMR with 1.2, this factor, and in my case, after multiplying, it is coming out to be 2321 calorie per day. Now, if I am doing twice or thrice, if I'm doing home workout twice or thrice a week, then my BMR should be multiplied with 1.3 factor. And in my case, it is coming out to be 2514 calories per day. Now, if I'm a fitness freak and I'm doing 4 to 6 days of exercise or home workout every week, I should multiply my BMR with 1.5, and in my case, it is coming out to be 2901 calories per day. Now, how the tricks work, it depends upon your activity level. As you see, no home exercise, 2 to 3 days of exercise, 4 to 6 days of exercise, and we are in a lockdown state, and the only alternative is to have a body weight exercise. Most of the people love it, as far as I am concerned, but most of the people will not love it, and they go on and off, and they are not being able to take care of their fitness regime to the extent which they used to do earlier in the gym. So apply this trick and it will help you. Now, coming back to this calculation, if you are not doing any home exercise, in order to maintain your weight, in my case, I can have 2321 calories every day and my weight will be maintained. If I want to lose my weight, I just reduce number of calories intake by 300, which is coming out to be 2021, and I'll be able to lose my weight. If I want to gain my weight, I can add 300 calories, and in my case, it is coming out to be 2621. Now, I'll show you these two things also. So if you are doing 2 to 3 days of exercise in a week or 4 to 6 days of exercise in a week, this calculation will definitely help you to reduce your weight, to maintain your weight, and to increase your weight if need be, if that is your weight goal, if that is your fitness goal. Now you see 300 calories I am reducing or adding based upon my initiative and based upon my fitness goal. This you can customize. This is not a constant data, this is variable, person to person it will depend. If I want to lose more weight, I can reduce the intake by, let's say, 500 calories a day or 600 calories a day, and depending upon my needs and requirement, I'll be able to get those results. But this is a very valid trick. I'm using it, I'm getting a lot of benefits out of it, and despite the fact that I'm not being able to go out to the gym, I'm doing home workout, still I'm able to lose my weight. Very important thing you should know, by doing this, you are just reducing your body weight. So this trick will help you to maintain, lose or gain your body weight only, not your muscle mass. An important calculation you should also know, which is weight gain or loss formula, that for every 700 calorie loss, you are losing 1 kg. So this data you can apply in your fitness regime, and this is my weekly tip for all of you. And this is the reason why I gave you this formula, because we are not sure that for how long this lockdown will go. It will go for another 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even a month. We are not sure about it. And if our gym is not getting open, or people are so worried about so many things, and if coronavirus will not be contained, our gyms will not be open for about, let's say, 3-4 months down the line. But for you should apply this trick in your fitness regime. At least you will be able to get results, not drastic results, but at least you will be able to a considerable amount of result. So let's go into the next section where I'll tell you my overview tracker, and let's see how it was. Now coming back to our home workout overview tracker, as you can see, I have invested around 4 days out of 7 days in my 8th week, and I have invested my time there to continue my fitness journey. I have skipped Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but rest of the days I have taken all ways and means to continue my fitness journey. Coming back to our overall status, I have invested around 6 hours. I have burnt around 2200 calories and walked around approximately 22 kilometers in my 8th week. And I would say my 8th week has been satisfactory. I will try to improve and I will try to increase the duration and my fitness level and my fitness initiatives in my 9th week. Let's see how it goes, but till then, I really wish you to stay safe, stay indoors and follow all the necessary guidelines which has been given by our government to stay safe and break the chain of COVID-19. भैया जिंदा रहेंगे तभी तो फिटनेस जर्नी कंटिन्यू करेंगे. So उसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए I am asking you to stay indoors but yet take your fitness initiatives. I have already given in my video the tools and techniques that how you can follow. Do follow it and I assure you it will definitely give you good results. So till then, bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love you all.